Good morning to all. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's lecture is for class 5. Book is New Countdown Book 5. Dear students, previously we have done exercise number 3B, which was related to multiplication of fraction. Our today's topic is fractions, exercise number 3C, page number 55. Today we will discuss division of fraction. In our previous exercises we have discussed addition and subtraction of fraction, and after that we have discussed multiplication of fraction. Today we will discuss division of fraction. In this regard we will do question number 1, 2 and 3. So before starting our work, let me explain you the most important topic, which is related to division of fraction. When we divide two fractions, the most important procedure which we have to do is taking reciprocal, because you in first I'll tell you how to take reciprocal. After that I'll tell you its purposes. Okay. Reciprocal means to revert a term. For example, if we have a fraction 3 over 2, and when we take its reciprocal it will become 2 over 3, right? Now in division of fraction, how we will use that reciprocal. For example, we have two fraction which we have to divide. It's 1 by 2 divided by 3 over 2. So students, in reciprocal division sign, when we take reciprocal, division change into multiplication, and that term after division के बाद जो terms होती हैं after division will be upside down, means denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. We will not do anything term before division sign, right? So it will become 1 by 2 multiply by 2 over 3, right? 1 by 2 multiply by 2 over 3. After taking reciprocal, division sign change into multiplication, and then term denominator term after division sign will be reciprocal, as denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Now why we do that? We take reciprocal because division of fraction is difficult, right? We have to do a long procedure, but if we take reciprocal and change that division sign into multiplication, so you know that the most easy things in fraction is multiplication of fraction, because in multiplication of fraction we don't need to equalize the denominators, and we just need to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, or we can do cutting if it is possible. So now after taking reciprocal, division change into multiplication. Now we will simply multiply it. 1 2s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. Now you can see that 2 and 3 occur in the same table, which is the table of 2. Am I right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. In that way, our answer will be 1 over 3. Now student, if you do solve the fraction without taking reciprocal, then answer will be same, but it will take too much time and very long division or multiplication. So if we take reciprocal of the given term, we can easily solve them. Now let us see some more purposes of taking reciprocal by in our question number 1. Question number 1, A part is fill in the blanks. A part 7 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 is equals to dash. Okay, through reciprocal we will solve it as 7 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. I have told you that we have to take reciprocal. The first term remains same. After taking reciprocal, second term become, it was 5 over 2, now it will become 2 over 5. Now you can see that we can cancel 2 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now we have 7 multiplied by 1, and here we have 1 multiplied by 5. It will become 7 over 5. As our denominator is less, so we can easily change it into mixed fraction. 5 divided by 7, 5 ones are 5. How many remainder? 2. So denominator, divisor in the denominator, remainder on the numerator, and quotient at the side. So 1 whole 2 by 5 is our answer. 1 whole 2 over 5. B part 3 over 5 divided by 1 over 7. Now let's take its reciprocal. 3 over 5 divided by 1 over 7. 3 over 5 as it is. Multiply, when take reciprocal, division sign change into multiplication, and 1 over 7 becomes 7 over 1. So no cutting is possible. So you can write 3 sevens are 21 over 5 ones are 5. But our denominator is less, so we can easily change them into mixed fraction. 5 divided by 21. 5 fours are 20. 1 remainder. So our answer became divisor on the denominator, remainder on the numerator, and quotient as the side. 4 whole 1 over 5. 4 whole 1 over 5 is our answer. C part 1 whole 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole 1 by 2 is equals to dash. Okay, first of all we will change it into simple fraction. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Directly change division sign into multiplication, and here also 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. But I think I have to make it more clear. Let me take it reciprocal in third step. Now 3 by 2 multiply by 2 over 3. Clear? After taking reciprocal, division sign change into multiplication, and our fraction 3 by 2 becomes 2 over 3. Now simply you can see that 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So 1 ones are 1. 1 is our answer. Now D part 10 over 7 divided by 5. If we have nothing in the denominator, we can write 1 to make it our question easier. 10 over 7 multiply by 1 over 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 2 ones are 2 over 7 ones are 7. 2 over 7 will be our answer. Our denominator is greater, so we don't need to divide it. Now E part, last part is blank divided by 9 is equals to 1 over 3. Now it is equals to divide sign as it is 9 over 1, 1 over 3. Here you don't need any procedure, just you can use common sense. that answer is 1 over 3. So it means it is divisible by its reciprocal, means reciprocal of 1 over 3 is 3. So answer will be 3, right? Answer is 1 over 3. So it means after finding reciprocal it will become 1 over 3. It means it was 3, right? Means it was like that, 1 over 3 multiply by 9 over 1. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Answer is 3. It means because it is at the other side of the equal sign, so it means they have given you answer after taking reciprocal. So answer of E part will be the reciprocal of 1 over 3, which is 3. So 3 is the answer. Next, question number 2 is, when dividing two fractions, the second fraction is inverted. This is true. I have told you that in taking reciprocal, only second fraction will be inverted. 1 over 2 divided by 5 is same as 5 divided by 1 over 2. It is false because when we take reciprocal, it will become 1 over 5 and answer will be different. So it is false. 1 whole 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 3. Yes, when we change it into simple fraction, it will become 3 by 2. And after taking reciprocal, it will become 2 by 1. 2 to 2 cancel and equal to, answer will be equals to 3. 5 over 8 divided by 1 is equals to 8 over 5. It is false because when we take reciprocal of 1, answer will be 5 over 8, not 8 over 5, because we will not do anything to the first term, only one will be inverted, and in after doing reciprocal, it answers will be same because there is 1 here. So answer will be 5 over 8. Here they have given you 8 over 5. E part 3 over 7 divided by 5 is equals to 3 over 35. Now when we take reciprocal, it will become 1 over 5. So 3 ones are 3, 7 fives are 35. So this is true. Next, question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given option. 1 whole 3 by 5 divided by 3 whole 4 by 5 is equals to, after taking reciprocal of second term, answer will be 8 over 90. B part, 11 divided by 4 whole 2 over 5 is equals to, now after taking reciprocal, it will become 22 over 5, and after doing cutting with it, answer will be 5 over 2. Now C part is 4 whole 3 over 7 divided by 8 whole 6 over 7 is equals to, after taking reciprocal of second term, answer will be 1 by 2. 15 divided by 25 over 35 is same as, after taking reciprocal, it will become 25 over 35, and when we do cutting, answer will be 21. E part, 1 by 3 divided by 1 over 9 is same as, now after taking reciprocal, it will become 9 over 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So answer is 3. That's all for today. These are question number 1, 2 and 3. Your today's work is, you will do it on your notebooks, on your books, and you will do that practice procedure on your draft notebook 2 times. Take care. Allah Hafiz.